Oh, I got your big gob on there then. It's only 1:30 in the afternoon. You're away.
But they were bloody drilling all night.
Were they?
Yeah.
Oh. Listen there, missing it.
No.
No. Huh?
Not at all.
Not at all. One thing you can say at the end of it all, you did it your way. You chose Shenley, then you chose to leave, chose Halesowen, chose drama, chose your subjects, chose your way forward. It's all on you now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No pressure. But the good news is,
Huh?
the good news is you got plenty of time to do. Because after you do the first year, you can carry on, can't you?
Yeah.
So,
They said, instead of it just being luck, it's just lack of commitment. I mean commitment.
yeah, yeah.
So if I actually go like every time, I'll more than likely get into college.
Yeah, you will. You will. You will, definitely. I'll make sure you get there. Don't you worry. But to be honest, I think you would have had fatigue after Shenley.
What's that?
Say if you'd have done your exams and everything, and then you probably, I don't know, you probably would have been tired, like, oh god, I'm sick of doing GCSEs. That's kind of what I thought, so I thought you might as well just do them when you really, just do them once rather than twice, and I don't know. Alex came out with that any, didn't she?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't think you would have. I think you would have got some, but they didn't really help you much, did they?
Yeah.
Teachers were on about how they could leave if they wanted to. What was that doing to anyone? I don't know. That's what put me off the place. What's the fucking use in all that garbage? Having been guilt tripped by the teachers. Oh, you don't really want to be here teaching me, you know what I mean? God, that's fun. I don't have to be here if I don't want to. I could just, my husband's raking it in, I could just stay at home. I'm here because I feel sorry for you all and I want to do some good. That's not a good attitude, is it? Don't get me wrong though, I wouldn't trade places. I mean, I couldn't do that job for you. There's too many Michelles out there who just wouldn't let you do the job even if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Too many, there's an awful lot of mental health issues around here. Tell you that for nothing. It's 50%, 0.1. What's no? What's half of 10%? What's that in decimal? Huh? So if you think of it like that, it's easier. Oh, is it? Oh shit. I'll check the footage later, see if you're right. Have we said 0.5?
No.
Oh. Well done, Liz. Still go check the footage though.
Go. You do that.
Yeah, cheers.
You do you.
You do you, yeah. This GoPro really picks up the sound well, you know. Amazing sound quality. The birds singing there, I bet you hear that on the video. Uh-oh. Loose. Heard that. Use your bottle, yeah. Huh? I know. And there? Oh, yeah. Yeah, see it.
Can you do this?
No. No doubt I'll lie awake tonight wishing I could. It's been himself more now. It's pulling like a normal self.
Petrol.
Go on.
What?
Just getting the camera ready. Ah, it's pretty good for you.
Only because you can see a dog. Yeah, Dad, you can have him now.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
I've
positive.
had enough. Is the dog gone? Oh, still it's up there.
Huh?
It's alright. Go this way. Is he going round or is he going? He's going. Yeah. Go that way.
Is he not going there, you know?
Probably not. So I'll tell you the history about this place. This pond here. So I'll tell you,
Swamp salt.
used to be a swimming pool, a little pond thing. Used to go swimming in it, and a little girl drowned in it. So they filled it in. And if you come down here at midnight, you see a little girl walking out of the water, just submerging out of the water with her head under her arm. Yeah, her head fell off apparently. tragedy. Shouldn't really joke about such a thing, should I?
You actually joking?
No?
You joking?
No, somebody did drown in there. It was on the internet. It's like local, not folklore even, it's actually happened. It was actually news at the time. Anywhere where you have a body of water you get drownings anyway. It's just anywhere and everywhere. My uncle had a boat.
Huh?
Your Uncle Malcolm had a boat.
Yeah.
And he used to moor it at he used to moor it at Gas Street, what was it called? Gas Street Basin or something like that it's called, in town. Still there now, but it's been done up since. And I am not kidding you, there was about 3 dead dogs in it on this one day. It was awful, really bad. This way.
Sorry.
Yeah, Dead Dog Basin, my dad called it after that. Instead of Gas Street Basin. Huh? Yeah, man. Yeah. They've made that specially, haven't they? It's been dug out there, hasn't it? Yeah, there's a great big shabby sheepdog in it, just floating upside down. It's horrible. Never forget it. Well, until water submerges goes in the body and then sinks it. Horrible. No way for a shaggy sheepdog to die. But there you go. I mean, it's like nowadays there's more of a law, isn't there, about keeping dogs on leashes and that.
Yeah.
So glad you put your wellies on today.
Huh?
So glad you put your wellies on. You can put your wellies on.
Oh, I don't have any.
Loose, as soon as you get home, put some in the basket. Never mind Harry Styles trainers, put some wellies in there. Okay? Harry Styles.
You look like your food, you feel?
I have. Thanks for noticing.
You let him off?
Nah, I can't. It's too many around. Ball.
Huh?
Tennis ball. Just me to notice that. This way? That way?
He was not going to let you go that way then.
No, right, I was determined then. Squirrel.
What?
Squirrel.
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 Yeah, what up the tree? Squirrel's a little four-legged creature with grey hair and it's got a bushy tail and it climbs up trees. Have you heard of a squirrel before?
You know, Australia don't have squirrels.
Don't it?
No.
I thought they had red ones and not grey ones.
Nope.
Oh. Well, it's turned into a shithole anyway, so. I had a nightmare about it the other night, told you, didn't I? Come on this way, come on.
Well, we're gonna get his own money, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Mum's gonna be angry at me again.
No.
Getting you muddy.
No, I'm not muddy. Oh, I see that muddy. What is it? Oh, why is it muddy?
I should just walk on here for a bit and just. Oh, ow.
Yeah!
Was you just singing jingle bells?
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Deary, deary me.
I didn't even realise I was singing.
Oh, really? Just on automatic jingle bells mode.
Yeah. Start, you meant to be pulling me up the hill. Yeah.
I know, he never pulls when you want him to.
One second. Well, I'm not going on a little girl waiting spooky dog. Tomorrow.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle all the way.
Huh? Locked exposure. Oh. Locked exposure. Oh, good. Jingle bells herself.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Even though it's February.
It's actually January.
Nearly. Nearly February.
Nope.
It is. How many days in February?
31. What?
I mean, yeah, February. How many days in February?
31.
It's the only month that always has this certain amount of days.
Is it 31?
No,
30?
no,
29?
no.
What are you going on about that?
How many days in February?
31?
No,
30?
no.
29?
You've already said this, why are you saying it again?
28?
Yes.
Shut up. That's wrong.
Google it. Google it now.
Hey Siri, how many days are in January?
February.
It's 9 days until then.
How many days in February?
I thought you said January. There's 31 days in January, isn't there?
How many days in February?
28.
It's too late now.
How many days are in January? What?
What? 30?
31.
30. Google it.